Hey Pitmasters, what is up? Today we're going to be smoking beef ribs low and slow. Remember when we did our first video with the Weber Master Touch, the new one with the smoke thing inside, and it was such a disappointment. Don't get me wrong, not the barbecue, but we smoked crocodile cheeks on it and it was horrible. It was super dry. I mean, the flavors were good, but it was such a disappointment. Did you enjoy it, Marcel?
I don't want to be reminded.
No. So
I'm not going to cut a flashback in this.
You have to. But to make up for it, I got a beautiful rack of beef ribs. We're going to put them on our Weber grill and we're going to find out if it does have a proper smoke profile. The first thing that we're going to do is fire up our barbecue, of course. So we got our Weber set here and look at it. It's a beauty. We're going to put our briquettes in. Whoa, we don't need that much. We just need a little bit of briquettes because it will run for a long time. I'm taking some out again. You want to make sure that the briquettes don't stick out above the ring. This is more than enough for smoking beef ribs. We'll put in a fire starter, light it up. While our Weber is lighting up, we're going to put some seasoning on our beef ribs. I'm using Madon salt and you can use plenty of it. We're also going to put on some fresh ground black pepper, if the wind will let me. Same thing for the other side. And I will just let this sit on the cutting board until our Weber grill is up to temperature. Our briquettes are lit up, time to put in some smoke wood. And just to the side, right there. Wiggle it in. We'll put on our heat deflector. See, I put too much in. Put too much in. This doesn't work. Every time, it's like with eating. When you put something on your plate, you cut out a big steak or like a big cut of meat, you think, oh, I'm gonna eat that, I'm gonna eat it. Never works. So I'm gonna take some out, easy fix, no problem. There we go. Put the grill grate on, put the beef ribs on, and close it. Oh, wait, I wanted to use the actual thermometer, so let's put it here. Go. I think it's still on Fahrenheit. The meat's almost frozen. Look at it. We used it for the second time and now it's smoking from the top fan, but it's not smoking from the sides anymore. There's only smoke coming from the top fan, so basically...
You did a good job.
I did a good job at setting this thing. Don't worry about it, closing it or leaving a gap with smoke. It's fine. We'll set it to a temperature of 110 degrees Celsius and let it smoke for at least 8 hours. It's been 7 hours and I didn't even look at the grill at all, but it's running stable at 110 degrees Celsius. So let's take a look at the meat and see how far along are we. I think we need an hour or so more, which is perfect for creating a nice sauce to go with it. Oh, it's already done. It's 206 degrees. This is Fahrenheit. I never put it on Celsius. Man, I should have checked the app. The iGrill. Now I set it to Celsius and it's 97 degrees Celsius. What it means, it's already done. So the good news is our meat is cooked and we can start eating. The bad news is that I didn't really have time to make a sauce yet. We're going to take it off the grill, let it rest, and in the meantime, I'm going to quickly whip up a sauce to go with our beef ribs. Look at that. Pitmaster privilege. Oh. For our sauce, we're going to take a little pan, put it on our stove, and we can put it on the grill as well. Oh, nice. Running for 7 hours and we still have some briquettes left. I think we may have burned like 1/10 of all the briquettes that were in there. So we'll put all of this together in the center, put the grill grate back on top, open up the vents completely, Put the pan on. As with a traditional barbecue sauce, I'm going to start off with some ketchup. It's around half a cup, with a quarter cup of honey, 4 tablespoons of ketchup mayonnaise, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, the juice of half a lime, a teaspoon of habanero hot sauce, and if you don't like it that spicy, just go with a few drops. 2 tablespoons of bombastic barbecue rub. Mix it all up and watch it magically become a barbecue sauce.
No, you didn't.
I didn't.
Okay, then it's okay. Ah, come on.
Oh, oh, this is good. You want to try it?
No.
With the new spoon, new
Yeah.
spoon, new spoon.
Okay, yeah. It's way different from what you normally make with a barbecue sauce.
See, but we only adjusted a little bit. We didn't use any sugar, we just used honey, but it's not like it's really predominant. We also put in a barbecue rub and we put the ketchup mayonnaise on top. We made it with 4 tablespoons, so it completely changes the flavor profile. And then the hot sauce to go with it really turns out nice. I think we should slice into our beef ribs, see if they are any good, which I think they are. Oh, look at that. This is so super tender. A bit of a crispy on the bottom. Look at this, Marcel, look at this. That is nice. Let's just take a slice of this. I'm gonna try it. Let's see how tender this is first. Super, super tender. It's different from the last one we did. We did hot and fast, and now we did it low and slow. You don't get as much crispiness, but you definitely get a beautiful smoke ring, a smoke profile, which is really good, and you get that like almost chewy meat. Really, really tasty. Give it a try, Marcel.
I gotta be honest, I prefer this one.
Over the hot and fast one that we
Over
did?
the hot and fast one, yeah.
Seriously? So I like the hot and fast one better because it has that crunch on the outside and it's still juicy on the inside. Not as juicy as this one, but it's still good. I just like that little bit of crisp. I really enjoy it. It's really good, and I really am amazed at how good they are with the Weber kettle and how it performed. Let's put some barbecue sauce on.
Yeah.
Let's cut this into slices. All right, let's give that a try.
Isn't that a bit of overkill?
Overkill? No. It's just enough. Huh. That habanero sauce, it gives your lips a nice tingle. It's really nice. I love the sweetness to go with beef. I don't know why it is, but it just tastes so good. Here, give this a try, bro. I think you're gonna love it.
I got meat sweats, this approved.
Meat sweats, yeah baby. Beautiful end result and a really nice barbecue sauce to go with it. So I recommend giving this barbecue sauce a try and using that habanero hot sauce. Now I know you guys love classical style of barbecue, so I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, leave me a big thumbs up. I want to say a special thanks to our YouTube members and our patrons. You guys are awesome, and I mean it. It's really important to this channel. So thank you if you are a patron. Thank you if you are a YouTube member. If you want to become one, you will find the link down below in the video description. It's awesome if you support us. Thank you very much. See you guys next time. Until then, eet smakelijk and keep on grilling.